Can you select all clips in CapCut on Android? This tutorial explains whether this feature is available and what you can do instead. First, open the CapCut app on your Android device and open any project with multiple clips in the timeline. From there, tap on any clip in the timeline and you'll notice straight away that there is no Select All button or option available anywhere in the editor. At this point, this is simply a feature that CapCut hasn't added yet. You can only tap and select clips one at a time individually. Following this, however, there is a workaround if you want to apply something across all your clips at once. After that, tap on a clip and apply whatever effect, filter, or adjustment you want, then look for the Apply to All option that appears. Tapping this will push that change across every clip in your timeline without needing to select them all manually. From here, this works for things like filters, speed adjustments, and certain effects, making it a useful alternative even without a proper Select All feature. Finally, hopefully CapCut will add a full Select All option in a future update, but for now, the Apply to All button is the closest thing available. That's how Select All works in CapCut on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!